Alright. Unboxing of this from Namshi. This Namshi Gaming. Now here is a PlayStation. Puma PlayStation. Right. This is Suede PlayStation Black Galaxy Gray. Let's try this one. What you have here? Oh, extra lace. And we have here the shoe. Oh, very nice packaging. Wow, ganda. So far, ito siya. Puma PlayStation. Check out the details, guys. Puma PlayStation iconic logos, and at the side, oh, ganda, oh. Puma suede. And check out, guys, here, if you can see the details. X, box, triangle, and circle. Ganda, oh. Puma. Oh, look at that. Puma PlayStation. Look at that. Damn. Ganda, ah. So far. This is the suede. Let's try. This is size 9 US. Let's try. It's not small. Oh my goodness. Sakto. Just the right size. I bought size 9 US, which is equivalent to size 42 Euro. However, for Nike, size 9 US is equivalent to 42.5 Euro. So take note of this before buying Puma shoes. This is the shoes on foot with different kind of jeans. Let me know what you think.